RBI Governor has cautioned that Brexit will pose challenges to Indian companies while India will continue to be one of the fastest growing economies in the world. Neha Bothra joins us with all the key highlights from RBI Governor's speech at Vibrant Gujarat. Neha, what are the main takeaways?
A very interesting speech coming in from RBI Governor Shaktikanta Das. He touched on a whole range of issues starting from inflation to corporate governance, even saying that India will continue to retain the tag of the fastest growing economy in the world. Let me take you through some key highlights. When it came to the banking sector, he said it was on the cusp of a major transformation, and reforms like IBC did go a long way as far as helping banks to address the menace of bad loans is concerned. Remember, this is one problem banks have been grappling with over the past few years, and IBC he touted to be a game changer when it came to tackling the bad loan menace. More importantly, speaking of inflation, Governor did say that 4% mark will continue to be the target to retain the credibility of the MPC, and he said that inflation, while it will continue to be range-bound, the MPC and the central bank will continue to monitor incoming data with respect to crude oil prices and commodity prices, and to see how it will move from here on. Speaking of corporate governance, he stressed the need for same to be strengthened in public sector and private sector banks, but clearly he said that the priority at this point would be to balance inflation and growth. Remember, this has been a very tightrope walk that governors have tried to walk before, and while the government, remember, has always pushed for growth, the central bank has always had a hawk eye on inflation, and balancing inflation growth will be the key agenda as far as the central bank is concerned, even at this point, indicating that calls for a rate cut might perhaps need some more analysis with respect to incoming data on price points to give a clearer picture on how inflation will pan out ahead of elections. These were some important areas that RBI Governor touched upon in the speech today.
The capital